This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 6, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, water heater, smoke detector, stove top burner, leveling jacks, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is 10,864 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.